how to create a poll on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to create a poll on your Facebook Messenger, then first open up your Messenger application and then make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, so if you want to create a poll, then let me tell you one thing, that you can only create a poll on a group. So simply choose a group. I'll be choosing this group. And now if you want to create a poll, then what you can do is simply go for the bottom left, which has that plus icon, and here you can go for polls. In here you need to go for what's your poll about, and you need to enter your question here. And once you enter your question, you can go for options, and then you can add your options, and you can tap on add option to add another option, and then again tap on add option. You can go for create poll, and that's it. That's how you create your poll on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.